Hello everyone, welcome back to Makeup in Time with Julia. If you are new, welcome to my channel. We have these two palettes here from Makeup Rvolution. I have used this one in my previous video. So today I just decided to do a tutorial on this very one here. This one is Forever Flawless Unconditional Love, and this other one called Constellation. Look at all the shades. This very one I used it on my previous video, and this is the one we're gonna use now. As you can see, I have used it to do some Instagram posts, then I totally forgot about it. Now I just find it. I was like, because I don't want to waste too much time, we are just gonna start applying this to our eyes. I'm just gonna go in with this shade here, and it's called Love Letter. In total 18 shades, and all the name at the back here. Okie dokie, so let's get started. I have primed my eyes as always, and I use P. Louise. I'm going to go in now with this shade here. It's called Dinner. Take another brush. This is Morphe E17. I'm going in with Cherish, which is this shade here. Just gonna go in with Attached. See the shade, which is this very one here. All right, we're gonna change our brush. What we're using to cut crease today, we're gonna use a P. Louise to cut crease. I also have this cut crease canvas. I don't know which one to use, but I think I'll just go with this. Should be enough. I'm just gonna use this brush here. Just take a bit. Going in with this very shade here called Love. So I'm using Maz More. Foundation I use is Makeup Rvolution, so I'm just going to use this concealer. I'll do that off camera, then I'll get back to you. We are getting close to finishing now, will I say? We nearly finished. Right, so before I went off camera, I said I was going to do my concealer, which I have done. I have done my highlight and blush and stuff like that, even lipstick. My inner corner, I'm going in with this shade here. Just gonna apply this here. That's right. It's Gold Digger from Primark. Yeah, that's we done. At this point you will go ahead and use your setting spray. Lashes I used today is H20. You can see it there. MIT Lashes by Julia, and the name is Abby. 25 to 30 times you can use these lashes. Like this one I have used it more than 4 times. As you can see, it's still brand new. So yeah, this is now the what we call the final look. This palette is actually a good palette for a tenner. It's really good. You can see all the shades. This palette is a really good palette. I like the palette. I like this look. Like how everything just kind of spot on today. Thank you very much, guys, and I will surely see you on my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to kill that notification bell so you will not miss out on my weekly upload. So yeah, just follow us on social media. We are on Instagram at Makeup Time with Julia. If you want to go and get these lashes, it's now available on our website, which is makeuptime.com. I shall see you on my next video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.